The Porsche 911 Turbo S is the ultimate expression of precision engineering, timeless design, and extreme performance. As one of the most iconic sports cars in the world, the 911 Turbo S combines everyday usability with breathtaking speed. Its rear-engine layout, aerodynamic curves, and advanced turbocharged power make it a true benchmark in the performance car segment at first glance. The Porsche 911 Turbo S still holds its unmistakable identity. The signature silhouette, wide stance, and aggressive detailing reflect its racing heritage. However, upon closer inspection, signs of wear become visible. The once deep glossy paint now appears slightly faded, with fine scratches and swirl marks affecting its finish. Exterior elements have lost some of their sharpness, while the interior shows subtle aging across premium materials. The restoration process begins with a complete exterior inspection and deep cleaning. Years of dirt and contamination are carefully removed, revealing the true condition of the vehicle. Multi-stage paint correction techniques are then applied to eliminate imperfections and restore a rich reflective gloss. Each panel is carefully refined to bring back the signature Porsche shine. Inside the cabin, attention is given to every detail. The leather seats are cleaned and conditioned to restore softness and texture. Dashboard components, trims, and controls are carefully detailed, bringing back the premium feel expected from a 911 Turbo S. Mechanical systems are also inspected and fine-tuned to ensure the car performs with precision and power. Step by step, the Porsche 911 Turbo S regains its full identity. Fast, refined, and visually flawless once again. This is not just restoration. It is the rebirth of a legend.